How to open soundbar on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can open soundbar on Soundation and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log into your Soundation account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is for you to start a new project by clicking on create new project, or you can decide to open an existing one. So for me, I'll be opening an existing project that I have worked on before. So after opening it, the next step is for you to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons which includes loops and sounds, loops and samples, record audio, generate a sample with Jenny, play or record instrument, make a beat, import audio, or you can invite a friend. So in order for you to open a soundbar, the next step would either be for you to make a beat, to import an audio, or you can just go to the audio that you have there already and click on it. By clicking on it, the soundbar would be opened by the left side of the screen, the bottom left side of the screen. With this bar, you can go ahead to adjust the volume, check the monitor, that is the microphone or the headphones that you have connected to your PC already. You can also add effects and tweak the sound to make it sound like you want. And also by the left side, you can decide to add audio channels that will also have impacts on this particular sound. So this is how you can open the sound bar on Soundation. Thank you for watching everyone and have a good day.